In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can skip days faster and start the night here in Bake or Die on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the process really is pretty simple. You need to look for the skip day or start night option on your screen. As soon as you click it on your screen itself, and it's not going to be like something on the wall or anything, it's literally just going to be like an icon on your screen like this, for example. But when you do click it, the game will try and move you from daytime to nighttime. In some cases, you will have to like complete a specific requirement first, like defeating a certain, enemy or a certain boss. If the button does not work, just check the message on your screen that'll pop up and finish that task first, and then hit the button to skip the day and then start the night again, and the game will switch to night. But that is the basic way to skip day and start night here in Bake or Die. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.